Guys, today we are seeing a banana type cement tank. This tank is quite simple. You can see the V shape looks like a banana, so we call it a banana type. Same as all the other trailers, we have the braking line connection over here, and electricity and ABS socket. Those are the ABS light. Here is the maintenance gap. If you ever need to repair or adjust the braking line or the electricity line, you can operate here. Behind it, it is the kingpin plate. The kingpin plate with 90 millimeter diameter kingpin bolted type. And behind it, it is the frame of the semi-trailer. This is the landing gear. The double-side operational landing gear with two-side protection. You can see the two-side protection. The width of the side protection, it is usually 2.5 meters. On the top, we have the front. That bar is using to holding the hoses to connect here to give the air pressure to the tank inside. The tank working pressure is 0.2 bar. It's actually 2 kilograms, we usually see it. This is a one-side valve, so the air could go from there and it can only go one direction, it cannot go back. So this is only one direction. The arrow here shows the direction, and those are the side of the valve. Those two are safety valves. There is a gauge. Those pipes is connecting the chamber. You can actually see the welding sign over there. You can see the chamber here is having the pressure and connecting the nylon hoses to vibrate. When it's vibrate, the cement inside is going to like liquefy, like a sand. So those cement can discharge from this main discharge puddle by these pipes and to the outside whenever you need it. So when you need to loading the cement, you need to go to the top, open the manhole on the top, then load the cement through those two manholes to the tank itself. This tank is one chamber. And here is the side protection and the toolbox. This is the axle. The axle brand is Huajin, and the aluminum rim is in the tire. The tire brand is Kunlun. It's a mountain in China. The suspension here is normal leaf spring suspension. We can go to the bottom and have a look. Here is the bottom of the trailer. You can see it is a leaf spring with U-bolt and Slaked adjuster, air chamber, braking line, valves, suspension hanger, equalizer, something like that. Okay, now we are after of the trailer and see the water tank. The water tank usually saving for cleaning or some use of the driver. And here we have a gap to easily checking the problem, and no need to get down to the bottom because it is not always concrete floor like this. It is always with a lot of mud. Okay, I think that would be enough for this semi-trailer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye. On top of this tank, you can see we have two manhole here. This is one of the manhole, and that is another. So whenever you have pressure of the tank, I suggest anyone would leave the top of the tank anytime as quickly as they could, because the tank might explode and the manhole cover maybe fly like a cannon bullet. Very dangerous. Man die because of it. This is the hoisting point. You can put a hook there and by the crane, then you can lift the tank open. This is one part of it with a ball valve at the end, and another side is connecting the tank body. So whenever you try to work, you need to remain the pressure outside and inside. Otherwise, this tank might shrink like a water balloon. Here we have another hoisting point over here and also a manhole here. Okay, there is a ladder. So whenever your trailer is contacting the prime mover, you can get out from that ladder. But if not, so you need to choose the front ladder. You need to choose the rear ladder. So you can step your foot on the tire to get off to the ground. Let me get on the glove. Try to get off. So when you want to get off first, you need to lower your body down and touch one of the bars, then put your foot over there. And then put in another foot there. Here we go. Okay. Try to keep it safe all the time. Sometimes you need to use your two hands for safety. Then you can step on the tire like this and then get to the ground. Okay. Hope you guys learn how to get on the tank. That's quite easy actually. All right. I think that would be all for today's video. If you like our channel, please subscribe or help us to click the like button at the bottom. See you guys next time. Bye. Have a nice day.